Hey, what's up? If you already subscribed to our channel Tech Brothers, then you know that we have tested some portable monitors. Some days ago I received another new monitor, and it is better than the previous ones, because it has a touchscreen, Full HD resolution and 98% of sRGB color gamut. I haven't tested portable monitors with touchscreen, so I am very excited. By the way, I forgot to tell you the name of this monitor. This is Wimaxit 14-inch portable touch monitor. So as usual, let's start with unboxing and then talk about design, screen quality, settings and others. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. The monitor comes in a simple white box. On the front we can see a company logo, Wimaxit, and USB-C portable display. There are main features on the side face, such as 14-inch IPS panel, high definition, USB-C, HD and power delivery. Okay, let's open the box. First, there is a monitor in protective smart cover. By the way, the cover has a nice texture. Also, you will get a power adapter, a cloth to wipe the monitor, mini HDMI to standard HDMI cable, USB-C to USB-C cable, USB-A to USB-C cable. So you can connect almost any device to this portable monitor, for example, laptop, smartphone, game console, etc. I want to start talking about design with a smart cover. First, this is a protective case, but also you can use it as a stand for monitor with two positions. As I already said, the cover has a nice texture and it is not slippery. The monitor has a diagonal of 14 inches. The dimensions are 320 by 195 by 10 mm. You know, the monitor is quite thick. I think this is because of touch panel. The rear panel is made of plastic, and here we can see the inscriptions for all ports and buttons. On the right side there is mini HDMI port, 2 USB-C port and O2G. Power button, volume up and down and 3.5 mm audio jack are located on the other side. By the way, the monitor has a stereo speaker, and you can see the speaker grills on the left and right panels. Also, there are rubberized feet at the bottom, so the monitor doesn't slide on the stand. I think that's all about design. Wimaxit has a good build quality, and I like the smart cover. Also, the monitor has many ports, so you can connect any device to it. Like other portable monitors, Wimaxit monitor has a settings menu. To add a settings menu, you need to press a rocker on the left side. In the picture menu you can change the screen brightness, contrast, eco mode, DSR and sharpness. The next menu is color. It has following options: color temperature, hue, saturation, low blue light, FreeSync and PCM. In the audio menu you can change the speaker volume or mute the sound. There is also a menu with other options, such as language, HDR, reset and USB touch. By the way, when I first connect the portable monitor to my laptop, the touchscreen doesn't work. You need to choose USB 1 or USB 2 in this menu, and then you can use the touchscreen. Finally, you can choose the input source for the monitor. Now let's talk about screen specifications and its quality. The main feature of a Wimaxit portable monitor is touchscreen. I think this is a very useful feature. As I already said, the screen diagonal is 14 inches. The resolution is Full HD. The monitor has a aspect ratio of 16:9. In addition, you should know that Wimaxit portable monitor has 98% of sRGB color gamut, 400 candela per square meters brightness and 1500 by 1 contrast. The monitor also supports HDR. You can see the comparison of the screen with HDR on and off. I think the screen quality is much better with HDR on. The colors are more saturated. However, you cannot change the screen brightness, contrast and other settings when HDR on. I also want to show you a comparison between a Wimaxit portable monitor and the screen of my Xiaomi laptop. To be honest, I think that Wimaxit monitor has even better screen quality than my Xiaomi laptop. What do you think? Write in the comments below. As real portable monitors have weak speakers. Let's check the sound of a Wimaxit portable monitor. As you can see, the maximum volume is 65 decibels. The sound is not very loud. So I found the best portable monitor on the market. First, Wimaxit monitor has touchscreen. This is very rare and useful feature for a budget monitor. Also, Wimaxit monitor has very good screen quality. It is even better than my Xiaomi laptop screen. Wimaxit portable monitor has a 98% of sRGB color gamut, high brightness and even HDR support. Perhaps the only drawback of this monitor is the speaker. The sound quality is not very good. However, I don't think that you will use the speaker on the monitor, because any connected device has a good speaker, such as laptop, smartphone, game console, etc. The price of a Wimaxit 14-inch touchscreen monitor is only $200. I will leave the link in the description under the video. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.